Good morning, Year 5. Okay, and today we are continuing with reflection, but we're going to be looking specifically at coordinates. So we did look at one yesterday, which is our feedback starter for today, and what we want you to do is reflect the points in a mirror line, write the coordinates of the reflected points. Have a go with that. Okay, we've done it yesterday. It should hopefully be fairly straightforward and set us up for a nice lesson today. Okay, our introduction. What are the coordinates of shape A? What are the coordinates of the reflected shape, which is shape B? Bottom right corner, I've given you a little tip and hint there, just in case anybody's forgotten. But we need to go around and think about the coordinates. So I'll have a little go at a couple for you. We're looking at the x-axis first, rather than the y-axis. So we look on the x-axis, we could go one across here, and we would go up this way. So x-axis we've got 1, y-axis we've got 3. So this coordinate here, because when we're looking at coordinates, we're looking at the vertices, the points where two sides meet. Okay, so almost like an angle. So that's what we're going to be looking at here. So it will be 1, 3, etc. So if we come and look at the next one, we could go 1, 2, 3, and up. That's also on 3. So x-axis we've gone along 3, y-axis we've gone up 3. So this coordinate point here would be 3, 3, and so on. So I'm going to leave you to do that. Now remember, you don't need to write all this down. If you're working with somebody at home, or if you think you're really good at it, you could just go through and look at them. Okay, look at them, go, oh, I know what that coordinate is, oh, I know what that coordinate is, and say it. Okay, because the answers are coming up next. That's when you need to look and be sensible and be mature and think, oh, actually I wasn't right there, or yes, I was spot on. Okay, and if you weren't right, maybe go back and have a look, where did you go wrong? Okay, so our very fluency 1, shape A has been reflected. Fill in the missing coordinates for shape B. Okay, point A, we've already got this coordinate here because that's been given over here. These are coordinates for shape B, as it said there. Okay, coordinate B, 4, 3, we've also got this coordinate here. All we need to do is find a coordinate for C and the coordinate for D. Okay, we'll work out C together. So x-axis first, we'll jump 1, 2, 3 along the x-axis. So our first coordinate is going to be 3. And how many up the y-axis? 1, 2, 3, because that comes across to the y-axis at 3. So our coordinate would be 3, 3. See if you can work out what D is. Okay, this is a great question. So draw a line of symmetry so that the below coordinates show a reflection of shape A. First things first, you've got the coordinates. Do not draw the line of symmetry first. Plot the coordinates. Okay, so if I'm looking at the first one here, 5, 5, so come along to the x-axis, 5, and then go up 5. This here is going to be my first point. Next coordinate, we've got 6, 6, come across 6, 6, and there's my second point. 7, 5, so coming across 7 to 5, there's my next point. 6, 2, so coming across 6 to 2, there's my next point, and 5, 3. Next point here. Now you would use pencil and ruler if you're drawing these up. It's not going to look exact because freehand on here is quite hard. So this here is the reflected shape. Now is when you can put in your line of symmetry. So we've got 1, 2 squares away from these points. So 2 squares away, we need to meet in the middle. What's half of 2? It would be 1. So we'd put the line of the mirror line or symmetry line here right down the middle. So we are 1 square away from both points of the shape. Okay, but make sure you plot the coordinates first. Very fluency 3, circle the correct set of coordinates of if shape A is reflected. What you'd need to do here is maybe get 2 different coloured pencils or pens and plot the coordinates. Okay, plot the coordinates, see which one is the correct reflected shape. I'm not going to go through this one with you, this one is down to you guys. Okay, fantastic question for reasoning. Now I do hope you all have a little go at this one. Explain the 3 mistakes below. there are 3 mistakes shown. They could be something to do with the axes. They are not labelled, that is also another mistake, but we're looking at 3 mistakes above the fact that the axes are not labelled. So it could be something to do with the axes, it could be something to do with the coordinates, it could be something to do with potential mistake in the shape, it could be something to do with mirroring line. Okay, have a good look at all of these and do have a go at working them out. One might catch you out, but it's very, very obvious if you see it, so do have a good go at this question. Okay, and the last one is, it's problem solving, but it's more of an exploration question in my eyes. So all we need to do is plot the coordinates, tick them off once you've done. So 5, 8, if we're plotting 5, 8, 5, 8 would be up here. Oh, we can't really see that because it's on the line. 5, 8, and plot 4, 8, so we come across 4, 8, and so on. So you're going to plot all the coordinates, and it says, what have you drawn? So it could be a smiley face, it could be a shape, or whatever. What have you drawn? It's just exploration, just plot them and give the answer. It's that simple. Okay, I don't think we're going to have too many troubles with this today as he worked so hard with it yesterday. But if you do not understand whatsoever, please do email in. Awesome stuff. Okay, have a fantastic day, Year 5.